I'm afraid 8 doves are going to be very upset tonight when they can't go to bed. We've been using 𝐤𝐤𝐤 very happily for years, but more recently we've had doves on the roof, and what we didn't realise early on was the fact that they were nesting underneath the panels, and it's only sort of more recently that we've discovered that, then realised that 𝐤𝐤𝐤 not only do cleaning of panels, they also can get rid of the birds and put a particular netting up, and this stops the birds from getting back under. What amazed me, particularly this morning, because they've been up removing at least 5 nests and eggs, and they have made a terrible mess. They're making a mess of the roof, and the danger is they can make a mess of underneath of the panels. And also, as I understand it, because they're laying eggs and there's young chicks up there, the rats get attracted to the roof and can get up there, and rats, as everybody knows, love chewing through cables and also water pipes and things. I'm afraid 8 doves are going to be very upset tonight when they can't go to bed. I just hope they don't disturb too many other people with panels on the roofs.